Hello, everyone. This is Anish Verma, and you're listening to the Empower Your Mind for Success podcast, a podcast for anyone who wants to build an entrepreneurial mindset. So, happy Independence Day, July 4th, to my US listeners, and happy Canada Day for my Canadian listeners. It feels great. It's a day to remind ourselves of how lucky we are to be born in a country that is free or has its freedom. And the day to thank all the people before us who laid their lives and made it their life's purpose and cause to ensure that we were born in a free and independent country. It should be a good reminder for ourselves to understand the value of freedom and what does it mean for each one of us, right? We may be living in a free country, but are we free? Are we living a life of choices? Are we living a life that is allowing us to pursue our dream and our goal with the freedom that we aspire for? So something to think about, something to reflect on, and the other thing about us to think for is 6 months down, 6 months to go. I mean, in the year 2020. 2020 has been a very, very different year, of course, because of the situation that we are all engulfed in. The entire world is pretty interesting. This entire world is connected. It has become flat. The proximity due to the internet connectivity and social media has improved, but that has also led to a faster spread of the COVID-19 unfortunate situation. We would not have it any other way in terms of the connectivity, but this is also one of the downfalls or an issue that it has highlighted of how close of a community we are in terms of closeness and proximity. But anyway, year 2020 has been a challenging one for a lot of people. Small and medium businesses have found it very, very difficult to keep themselves going. Some businesses will never be able to survive this and will never open once things come back to the new normal. Some small and medium businesses will survive and find a way out. All the small and medium businesses are being encouraged to survive for the next 6 months, and hopefully 2021 will turn things around. Some of the larger enterprises have laid off a lot of people, furloughed a lot of people. Some of those people may not find their jobs again. They will have to find jobs elsewhere or learn new skills to retool themselves. A lot of people have lost their lives, which is worse. And a lot of people are at risk. It has been a very, very challenging and a tough year for most of us. But either way, 6 months of the year are over, and we have 6 more months to go. The question is, do we still see our goal very clearly, and do we have the right mindset, the right fortitude, the right environment to continue walking down the path to achieve our goal? And I think that is something that we all need to think very hard about. Maybe time for course correction. Of course, do not quit what you have started, finish it. Because if you remember from one of my earlier podcasts, chances of success are higher as long as you do not quit. Again, when I say do not quit, I mean do not quit on your goal. I do not mean your plan. We spend a lot of time on planning to get to our goal. And what that leads to is that we get wedded to our plan. And we should be wedded to the goal. We should be wedded to the outcome, right? We should keep that in mind. And we should put things in place that we can do every day to achieve that goal, to achieve that outcome. If we have to change things here and there to course correct every day, every week, month to month, then let's do that, because that is what we need to do to course correct by learning from the past 6 months. Okay. Don't change your goal. Even if you think your goal is not achievable, do not change it. Okay. If you had a financial goal, keep that number. I know it has been a tough year economically for the entire world. You or me or anyone else is not unique or different in that situation. Some companies obviously have not only survived but thrived, but most of the companies have not. So do not change your financial goal. Do not change your relationship goal. Do not change your goal. Keep your goal as a goalpost that you have to continue marching towards. Okay, find ways of achieving that goal. If you are fallen behind, find people who can help you. Find joint venture opportunities. Find partnership opportunities. A lot of people are looking for those opportunities in today's days. Are there opportunities to merge companies, right? And use the funding of the 2-3 companies collectively to achieve the common goal. It's not easy, but you have to be creative in tough times. And that is what most of the smaller and medium businesses are trying to do. So think about that. Once again, right? So 6 more months to go. Think about what you want to do in the next 6 months to achieve your goal. Ideally, you may want to, because you're committed to your goal, maybe it is time to invest in acceleration mechanisms. The acceleration mechanism can be finding the right people, finding the right mentors to help you, guide you, even if that means you have to pay them. And then it is also time to get creative with revenue generation opportunities, and hopefully we will all hit our goals, right? But given that it is the Independence Day, it was yesterday, July 4th, but for us in the US, but it is really time for us to think of, how free are we? Are we imprisoned? Are we imprisoned by our jobs? Are we imprisoned by our situation? Are we imprisoned by relationships that we don't want to be in? Are we imprisoned in businesses that are running us as opposed to we running the business, right? We all may be in different and unique situations. But this is the time, guys, to reflect back and plan for your next 6 months. 6 months is a decent amount of time to make a big dent towards achieving your goal. So let's all, hunker down, lay out the high-level plan, and start pursuing the goal that we have set for ourselves for 2020. Once again, do not change your goal marker. Do not change your goal. Do not change your dream. It is possible that we may not achieve it, but let's not worry about that. Let's worry about what we can do every day to get closer as much as possible towards your goal. All right, and together I think we can do it. Tough, as they say, right? Tough times don't last. Tough people do, and usually tough people are innovative. They are stubborn, they are adamant that they want to stick to their dream and goal, and they find ways of getting it done. I know you can do it. I know together we can do it. We have this group of listeners is a very is a like-minded group of people who are looking for positive strength, positive energy, a positive environment, and hopefully that is what I'm trying to do, and I'm trying to provide you that kind of environment and a podcast that you can listen to energize yourself every day. Remember, you have unlimited potential. Own it. Keep marching forward towards your goal. You can do it. We can all do it together and achieve our financial freedom very, very soon. Thank you for listening. Until next time, take care.